Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Today I came with another exciting video. In this video I will gonna show you video testing of my Nikon D7200 with the kit lens 1855mm. So that is my camera, Nikon D7200 with kit lens 1855mm. Right now I'm recording this video with my iPhone 6s. Last time I did unboxing video of my camera, but for now let's test this video quality with the kit lens. On my next video I am going to show you how the quality looks with 50mm f1.8G. After 55mm f1.8G video testing, I will definitely upload some graphics tutorials. So what you have to do, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any of my video. Thank you and God bless. Okay, I'm mounting the lens on my Nikon D7200. Let's capture some video testing.